You have heard it since childhood. Eat your carrots. They are good for your eyes. This is not just a myth told by parents to get children to eat their vegetables. It is rooted in solid science. Carrots are one of the richest natural sources of beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a pigment that gives carrots their bright orange color. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A is absolutely essential for your vision. Without it, your eyes cannot function. In fact, vitamin A deficiency is a leading cause of blindness in developing countries. Millions of children go blind every year simply because they do not get enough of this critical nutrient. Carrots can prevent this. They are not a magic cure for all eye problems. They will not reverse advanced macular degeneration or cataracts, but they are a critical tool for maintaining healthy vision throughout your life. This is the carrot code. In this article, we will explore why this humble root vegetable is so important for your eyesight, how it works, and how to eat it for maximum benefit. Let us start with the science of vitamin A and vision. Your retina is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. It contains millions of photoreceptor cells. These cells are called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light. Cones are responsible for color vision and sharp detail. Both types of cells depend on a molecule called retinal. Retinal is a form of vitamin A. When light hits your retina, it changes the shape of the retinal molecule. This change triggers an electrical signal that travels to your brain. Your brain interprets this signal as vision. After the signal is sent, the retinal molecule must be regenerated. This requires more vitamin A. Without enough vitamin A, your photoreceptor cells cannot regenerate. They stop working. The first symptom is night blindness. You cannot see well in dim light. As the deficiency worsens, your photoreceptor cells die. This leads to permanent blindness. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which your body converts into retinal. This is why carrots are critical for your eyesight. They supply the raw material your eyes need to see. Now let us talk about the numbers. One medium carrot contains about 5,000 to 10,000 international units of beta-carotene. This is more than 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A at a variable rate. For most people, the conversion is efficient. A single carrot provides enough beta-carotene to meet your vitamin A needs for an entire day. This is why carrots are such a powerful tool for preventing vitamin A deficiency. In developing countries where animal sources of vitamin A are expensive or unavailable, carrots are a lifesaver. Organizations like the World Health Organization promote carrot consumption as a way to prevent childhood blindness. The evidence is clear. Carrots work. They are affordable. They are widely available. They are easy to grow. They are the perfect solution to a deadly problem. Let us look at the science. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed more than 50,000 women for over 10 years. The researchers found that women who ate at least 2 servings of carrots per week had a 20% lower risk of developing glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that damage the optic nerve. It is a leading cause of blindness. Another study looked at age-related macular degeneration. This is a condition where the central part of your retina deteriorates over time. It is the leading cause of blindness in people over 50. The study found that people who ate foods rich in beta-carotene had a 25% lower risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. The effect was strongest in people who also ate foods rich in other carotenoids, like lutein and zeaxanthin. Carrots alone are not enough to prevent macular degeneration. but they are an important part of the picture. Now let us talk about the other nutrients in carrots. Carrots are not just about beta-carotene, they are also rich in alpha-carotene. Alpha-carotene is another carotenoid that your body converts into vitamin A. It has also been studied for its health benefits. Some research suggests that alpha-carotene is even more effective than beta-carotene at reducing the risk of certain diseases. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, though in smaller amounts than dark leafy greens. Lutein and zeaxanthin accumulate in your retina and protect it from blue light damage. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that protects your eyes from oxidative stress. They contain vitamin K, which supports blood vessel health. They contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure can damage the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Carrots are also rich in fiber. 1 cup of chopped carrots contains about 4 grams of fiber. Fiber supports digestive health, blood sugar control, and weight management. All of these indirectly benefit your eyes by reducing your risk of diabetes and heart disease, both of which can affect your vision. Let us talk about the different ways to eat carrots. Raw carrots are excellent. They retain all of their nutrients. Chewing raw carrots also stimulates saliva production and helps clean your teeth. The problem is that raw carrots are hard to digest for some people. The cell walls in raw carrots are tough. Your body cannot break them down completely. You may not absorb all of the beta-carotene from raw carrots. Cooking carrots breaks down the cell walls. This makes the beta-carotene more available. Steaming, roasting, or boiling carrots for a few minutes increases the amount of beta-carotene your body can absorb. In fact, studies have shown that cooked carrots provide significantly more absorbable beta-carotene than raw carrots. But do not overcook them. Overcooking destroys some of the other nutrients. Light steaming or roasting is best. You can also juice carrots. Carrot juice is very concentrated. 1 glass of carrot juice contains the beta-carotene of several whole carrots. The nutrients are highly absorbable because the juicing process breaks down the cell walls. The downside is that juicing removes the fiber. You miss the digestive benefits. You can also eat canned carrots. Canned carrots are cooked and easy to digest. They are convenient. Look for canned carrots with no added salt. Rinse them before eating. Fermented carrots are another option. Fermentation increases the bioavailability of some nutrients. You can buy fermented carrots or make your own. They are a great addition to salads and sandwiches. Now let us talk about how to maximize beta-carotene absorption. Beta-carotene is fat-soluble. This means your body absorbs it much better when you eat it with a source of fat. Without fat, your absorption rate is low. With fat, it is high. This is a critical point. Many people eat raw carrot sticks by themselves. They are not getting the full benefit. Add a little healthy fat. Dip your carrot sticks in hummus, guacamole, or nut butter. Drizzle roasted carrots with olive oil. Add shredded carrots to a salad with an oil-based dressing. Cook carrots in coconut oil or ghee. Add a handful of nuts or seeds to your carrot-containing meal. The fat does not need to be large. A teaspoon of oil or a few nuts is enough. But it makes a huge difference in how much beta-carotene your body actually absorbs. Without fat, you may absorb only 10 to 20% of the beta-carotene. With fat, you can absorb 60 to 80%. Do not waste your carrots. Eat them with fat. Let us talk about carrots and your skin. Vitamin A is essential for skin health. It helps your skin produce new cells. It regulates the production of sebum, the oil that keeps your skin moisturized. It protects your skin from UV damage. Beta-carotene itself also acts as a sunscreen from the inside. Several studies have shown that people who eat foods rich in beta-carotene have lower rates of sunburn. Their skin is more resilient to UV damage. This does not mean you should skip sunscreen, but eating carrots provides an additional layer of protection. In one study, people who took beta-carotene supplements for 10 weeks had significantly less redness after UV exposure. The effect was modest but meaningful. Carrots also contain other antioxidants that protect your skin from aging. The combination of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and other carotenoids reduces oxidative stress. This slows down the formation of wrinkles and age spots. Carrots are not a fountain of youth, but they are a simple, affordable way to support healthy skin as you age.